Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2018 Hyundai Veloster, stock number 6991. Here's a 6.4 FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is G4 FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory eliminated tyre, left-hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory eliminated tyre, left-hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear 18-inch factory eliminated tyre, right front door 3 dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door car, right front master switch, centre console lid, gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.